I want to show you how to level up your presentations in Adobe Express. Adding visual elements and images and so much more, this platform will help you create stunning layouts and generate new content with the help of AI thanks to Adobe Firefly. You can also edit photos, animations, and videos in just a few clicks. Plus, you don't need to be a creative professional to pull this off. Compelling content, that's what engages an audience. Incorporating multimedia elements into your assets, such as presentations like this, or marketing collateral, sales guides, web pages, and more. Multimedia can really help create impact. But I also know that making edits to photos, videos, and animations can be a bit intimidating when you're trying to bring those projects to life. We often have to ask others for help. Wouldn't it be nice to make those edits yourself with just a few clicks? That's exactly what you can do in Adobe Express. Remove backgrounds, resize assets for any placement in one click, or resize your Express file to other layouts. In this example, a presentation slide quickly becomes an Instagram feed post after a few minor layout adjustments. In many cases, there's no need to add more responsibilities and precious time to an already tight schedule for your creative team. With Generative Fill, the same technology already in Adobe Photoshop, you can add, remove, or replace objects, people, and more in any image with just a description. Quick actions are just that. Generate QR codes, create animated GIFs from a video, bring your project to life with animation, music, and artwork right in Adobe Express. Level up videos. Make all your edits with the all-in-one app. We've looked at a handful of features that will make your presentations more exciting and impactful, and I want to call out now a few unique integrations and best practices in Adobe Express. Access your company's brand assets, as well as images, videos, and templates from Creative Cloud libraries, which sync across apps. A creative or brand team at a company could create and share a Creative Cloud library, like this, that others have access to for this purpose. You can also pull in existing assets from libraries, from the digital asset management of your choice, like Adobe Experience Manager, as well as Dropbox, Box, Google Drive, OneDrive, and others. It's easy to align your company's design style, colors, and fonts. Stick with consistent and clear font choices. And I recommend keeping text light and finding Adobe Stock images right from inside Express to tell your story. Here's a big differentiator for Adobe Express. You can generate images that you cannot find in your internal resources to show concepts for visuals or specific industries, for example. Plus, assets designed in Adobe Express are designed to be safe for commercial use, including those designed using features powered by Adobe Firefly. Think of Adobe Express as your one-stop creative app with no experience required. Now it's time to give it a try. Here's a template that you can remix and experience all that Adobe Express has to offer for yourself.